Terrance, are there birds in Minnesota?
What? Of course not. Everybody knows there are
Wrong answer, Terrance! We pay you to lie to these Midwestern aviary schmucks, and Terrance, you are not off the clock. Now tell me, are there birds in Minnesota?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Good! Correct, Terrance! But you have to be more convincing on the tools.
You know, we don't want our little enterprise getting figured out. You don't want to get relocated, would you?
Don't let us down, Terrance. We've just put a down payment on a house.
And welcome to the Minnesota State Aviary, home to birds from across our great state. Let's get started.
Whatever.
Young lady, look around you.
This is stupid. There are no birds here, dummy.
You are absolutely wrong, young lady. Look, just there, roosting in that oak, is a snowy owl, one of the most majestic birds in our state.
That's not a bird. That's just a spooky ghost. I saw one in my dad's attic one time.
Well, somebody woke up on the wrong side of the mess today. That's a snowy owl. Now, you will see the state bird of Minnesota, the loon. Loons are famous.
Famous for being swamp flutes? That's just a flute floating in the swamp. Right there? Right there.
It's not a flute, it's a loon, a bird. Loons are famous for their plane-like attributes, namely the fact they need a long strip of water like a runway to achieve liftoff.
Weird. My dad said I was going bird watching, but this is weird.
I can assure you that you have been bird watching all day. Now, stop distracting your classmates and take note of this greater prairie chicken, one of my favorite birds.
This is bullshit. That's not a bird. That's just a cartoon egg on the ground. That's not a bird. It's part of a bird.
All right. No more questions, okay? No more questions.
No more questions? You bet there'll be more questions. The only thing dumber than all these fake birds is a liar. And you're a liar. I'm going to tell my mom and my dad and all my teachers, and you're going to get fired.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for being here today. This was a hard decision for me, but I've decided it's my civic duty to come clean. So I'm here today to publicly announce to all of you that the rumors are true. You have all been deceived. There are no birds in Minnesota.
What?
I will now open the floor to questions. Since the beginning.
Hey, I'm an ornithologist. Has my entire career been a lie?
Yes, your degree means nothing. That was a brightly painted block of wood.
What do I mean? You get KFC?
Lizards. But we don't know. It's dark outside.
Birds! I want the angry birds!
I didn't want to do this, but the people have a right to know. There are no birds in Minnesota because